A single creature has defied death long enough to rewrite biology's rulebook, and the 10 wonders below prove nature hides secret immortals. Stay tuned, because number 1 is something almost nobody guesses. Imagine a creature so tiny it fits on the tip of a pencil, yet it can survive the vacuum of space and years of desiccation. Tardigrades, affectionately called water bears, enter a state called cryptobiosis, suspending all metabolic activity until conditions improve. During this pause, they repair DNA damage using unique proteins, effectively resetting their biological clock. Researchers have isolated these protective molecules, hoping to apply them to human cells to delay aging and improve stress resistance. Their ability to withstand radiation, extreme temperatures, and dehydration makes them a living model of resilience. Up next, Rank 9 introduces a subterranean mammal, whose cancer-proof biology will astonish you.
Hidden beneath African savannas, the naked mole rat lives a life of near-eternal youth, often surpassing 30 years, unheard of for a rodent its size. These hairless mammals possess a uniquely stable genome, producing a form of hyaluronan that prevents cells from becoming cancerous. Their low metabolic rate and high resistance to oxidative stress also contribute to a remarkably slow aging process. Scientists study their pain-insensitive nerves and hypoxia tolerance, hoping to translate these traits into therapies for human age-related diseases. Their social structure, akin to that of insects, further reduces stress, a known aging accelerator. Stay tuned, because Rank 8 reveals a deep-sea predator that may be the oldest living vertebrate on Earth.
Surprisingly, the Greenland shark drifts through icy Arctic waters at a pace that seems to defy time itself, with radiocarbon dating suggesting some individuals may be over 400 years old. Their sluggish metabolism, aided by a diet of slow-digesting fish and seals, reduces cellular wear and tear. The shark's high concentrations of trimethylamine oxide act as a natural antifreeze and also protect proteins from age-related degradation. Researchers are fascinated by its exceptionally low heart rate, just a few beats per minute, offering clues about how reduced physiological stress can extend lifespan. As we glide toward Rank 7, prepare to meet a marine mammal, whose lifespan rivals the longest recorded in any animal.
Few people know that the Bowhead Whale, roaming the frigid seas of the North Atlantic and Arctic, can live more than 200 years, making it the longest-lived mammal on the planet. Its massive size and thick blubber layer protect it from environmental stresses, while a unique set of DNA repair genes helps maintain cellular integrity over centuries. Ancient harpoons recovered from bowhead carcasses confirm their extraordinary ages. Scientists are decoding the whale's epigenetic markers to understand how its cells resist senescence, hoping to unlock pathways that could slow human aging. Coming up next, Rank 6 introduces the only creature that can literally reverse its life cycle.
Deep beneath sunlit oceans, the immortal jellyfish performs a biological sleight of hand. When faced with stress, it reverts its mature cells back to a juvenile polyp stage, essentially hitting a reset button on its life. This process, called transdifferentiation, allows it to bypass death and start anew, potentially repeating the cycle indefinitely. Scientists are fascinated by the molecular triggers that enable such cellular plasticity, studying them for insights into regenerative medicine and age reversal. While the jellyfish's natural habitat subjects it to predators and temperature shifts, its capacity to cheat mortality remains a marvel of evolution. Next, Rank 5 will showcase a freshwater marvel that never truly ages.
Remarkably, the tiny freshwater polyp Hydra lives a life of continuous renewal, showing no signs of aging even after decades in the lab. Its stem cells are perpetually active, constantly dividing and differentiating to replace any damaged tissue. This regenerative prowess is governed by the WNT signaling pathway, which remains finely tuned throughout its existence. Researchers have observed that Hydra maintains telomere length and avoids the typical accumulation of cellular waste that drives senescence in other organisms. By studying its simple yet powerful biology, scientists aim to uncover universal mechanisms that could one day keep human cells youthful. Up next, Rank 4 reveals a flatworm that can rebuild an entire body from a fragment.
Incredible planarians can reconstruct a whole new organism from just a tiny slice of their body, thanks to a population of pluripotent stem cells called neoblasts. These cells roam the flatworm's interior, ready to differentiate into any tissue type needed for regeneration. Remarkably, the animals retain their original size and shape after multiple rounds of cutting and regrowth, showing no signs of aging or telomere shortening. Their genome houses genes that regulate cellular turnover with astonishing precision, making planarians a prime model for studying tissue renewal. Scientists hope that decoding these pathways could inspire therapies for age-related degeneration in humans. Coming up, Rank 3 will introduce a salamander that never truly grows old.
Legend says the axolotl, a neotenic salamander native to Mexican lakes, retains its youthful form forever, never undergoing metamorphosis. This perpetual larval state is paired with an extraordinary ability to regenerate limbs, spinal cord, heart tissue, and even portions of the brain without scarring. The axolotl's immune system modulates inflammation in a way that promotes regeneration rather than fibrosis, a process that slows with age in most vertebrates. Researchers study its genome, which contains duplicated genes linked to tissue repair, hoping to apply these findings to human medicine. As we near the climax, Rank 2 will spotlight a fish that lives a fleeting life yet offers a fast-forward view of aging.
Scientists have turned their attention to the African turquoise killifish, a tiny vertebrate that lives just a few months, yet its rapid life cycle makes it a perfect model for aging research. Despite its brief existence, the killifish exhibits many hallmarks of age-related decline, such as reduced mobility and cognitive impairment, within weeks. Its genome reveals unique variations in the insulin, IGF-1 signaling pathway, a key regulator of lifespan across species. By manipulating these genes, researchers can extend or shorten the fish's lifespan, providing a rapid experimental platform to test anti-aging interventions. Up next, Rank 1 unveils a marine mollusk whose centuries-long life may hold the ultimate key to longevity.
Finally, the ocean quahog clam stands as nature's living chronometer, with individuals verified to be over 500 years old, a lifespan that dwarfs any other animal. Living buried in cold, low-oxygen seabed sediments, these clams experience minimal metabolic stress, which slows cellular damage. Their shells record annual growth rings, allowing precise age determination. Remarkably, the clam's mitochondria maintain high efficiency, reducing the production of reactive oxygen species that typically accelerate aging. Scientists study their proteostasis mechanisms, how proteins maintain proper folding over centuries, to glean insights into long-term cellular health. This venerable mollusk reminds us that longevity can be achieved through a combination of environment, metabolism, and molecular upkeep, offering a profound lesson for all living beings.
What a journey through nature's most enigmatic ageless beings. From the microscopic resilience of tardigrades to the ancient silence of the ocean quahog, each creature shows us that aging is not a fixed destiny. If you enjoyed uncovering these marvels, hit like and subscribe so you never miss the next mind-blowing list we release each week. Which of these bizarre longevity secrets surprised you the most? Share your thoughts below, and let's keep the conversation alive. Thank you for watching, and stay curious.